What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. For many individuals, finding out how to generate money online will be a top focus this year. There are several options accessible. For many of them, all you need is a smartphone and access to a good internet connection. With that being said, let's get on with our video. Earn $50 as a beginner just by playing games. Make money online 2022. Number 7. Pochi Plus the game. Let's start off this list with Pochi Plus. Now, what exactly is Pochi Plus, you ask? Pochi Plus is a pachinko-themed internet game. Simply search for Pochi Plus in the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, or use these links to get the app version of the game. You may also play right now at play.pochiplus.com with Google Chrome or another browser. After you've launched the game, the first thing you need to do is create a Pochi account. Simply hit the sign up button to open the sign up page, input the requirements, check the 2 boxes, and click the Create Account button to complete the process. And that's all there's to it. You now have a Pochi account. Let's log in right now by pressing the login button to bring up the login page. After that, just fill in your email address or display name as well as your password and then click the login button. On the main page, there are numerous things to play, but let's start with the 2 kinds of pachinko games, Arcade and Pochi City. The shooting of the pachinko ball is the same in all modes. However, Pochi City is more thrilling since there are more difficulties here. Number 6. The Arcade mode in Pochi Plus. Arcade mode is ideal if you simply want to unwind and relax. So let's start with Arcade mode. Simply push and hold the red button, then verify the power of the shot in the gauge before releasing it. The Pochi ball will land in one of 4 locations. The first is the red recycled pocket, where the Pochi ball that was launched into it will return back to you. Bottom hole is the second area where you will use the Pochi ball. The third is the green coin pocket, which is where you can acquire Pochi coins. And finally, Jackpot Pocket, which is blue in color, will allow you the option to play a jackpot bonus game where you can earn Pochi coins or Pochi tickets if you have 12 entries. To get extra Pochi coins and tickets, just launch more Pochi balls. 1 Pochi ticket will be awarded if you can launch 100 Pochi balls in a single gaming session. Always keep Pochi balls, Pochi coins, and Pochi tickets in mind for additional fun and rewards. Number 5. Tips on how to save your earning while playing this game. The more Pochi balls you have, the better your chances of shooting are. You may use Pochi coins to compete in leaderboard competitions such as weekly championships. You may use Pochi tickets to swap prizes on the Pochi exchange. Also, before you leave Pochi Plus, keep your Pochi coins and tickets. To do so, just click Quit after tapping the gear icon and the endgame button. That's how a gaming session may be saved. It's critical to set aside money so that you don't lose your earnings. You can get even more balls by tapping the icons at the bottom of the home screen or entering the ball giveaways on the Pochi Plus Facebook page. To begin, use the Claim Your Reward button to get free Pochi balls on a daily and hourly basis. There are 50 complimentary tickets available on Pochi balls on the initial login of the day and 10 Pochi balls with each subsequent login during the day. Number 4. The Weekly Championships. Now let's discuss the 2 most important methods to win in this game, Weekly Championships and Pochi Exchange. So first and foremost, if you have a lot of Pochi coins, you can win money every week in Weekly Championships. 10 Pochi Plus players will win money in weekly rounds. The first place award is 2,500 pesos, which is around $50, and it may be much greater depending on the gimmick in the round. The leaderboard is used to determine the ranking. You should constantly check your leaderboard screen from the home screen to see whether you're near to winning. Simply touch the red trophy on the home screen to do so. On Monday, 12 p.m. Philippine time, 4 a.m. GMT, the 10 players with the most Pochi coins win. Every Tuesday at 12 p.m. Philippine time, 4 a.m. Eastern, Pochi Plus's Facebook page also announces the winners of each round. Pochi Exchange is great for you if you don't want to compete and instead want to win at your own pace. On the Pochi Exchange, you may earn prizes by completing tasks. To exchange rewards on the Pochi Exchange, you must have enough Pochi tickets in your account. Number 3. The awards you can avail by playing Pochi Plus. Premium prize trophies, Lazada, Amazon.com, Apple App Store and Google Play gift cards, and mystery boxes are all available as Pochi Exchange rewards. Because I don't have to beat other people in Pachi Exchange or Pachi Plus, my favorite award on the Pachi Exchange is the Premium Prize Trophy. All I have to do now is trade in my Pachi tickets for premium trophies for the same amount. I can simply take it out as long as my premium trophies are worth $100 or more. Number 2. How to access Pachi Exchange. To begin, go to Pachi Plus's homepage and choose My Account. You can also see how much money you have in Pachi tickets, which you can use to redeem prices by hitting the Redeem Prices button. The second method is to use your web browser and go to PachiExchange.com. It's simple to convert Pachi tickets into rewards. Simply log into Pachi Exchange using your Pachi account display name or email address and password. The Pachi Exchange home screen will appear after that. Simply go to the shop page, choose the reward you desire, touch trade, and then click continue to exchange your Pachi tickets. Pachi Sweepstakes rewards are another sort of prize available on the Pachi Exchange. You'll like Pachi Sweepstakes if you enjoy constantly testing your luck. Simply visit PachiExchange.com/sweepstakes while signed into your computer browser or select Sweepstakes from the Pachi Exchange homepage. Pachi Sweepstakes has 3 different kinds of draws: daily, weekly, and monthly. In the daily draw, you may win 250 Pachi tickets, which you can then exchange for prizes at the Pachi Exchange. Number 1. The monthly and weekly rewards. The monthly and weekly drawings, on the other hand, provide cash rewards instead of Pachi tickets. In the weekly draw, you may win $20, and in the monthly draw, you can win $50. We will now take part in the monthly draw. So just scroll down to upcoming draws and press the Enter Now button. Let's go ahead and press the Use My Free Entry button, and that's all there is to it. It's that simple. The winning results will show up every 12 p.m. Philippine time or 4 a.m. GMT for the daily draw, and every 12 p.m. Philippine time or 4 a.m. GMT for the weekly draw, and every first day of the month at precisely 12 p.m. Philippine time or 4 a.m. GMT for the monthly draw. Now, simply return to the Pachi Sweepstakes website, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and select one of these icons to read the results. Let's assume I want to see the weekly results. All I have to do now is click the View Weekly Result button, which will send me to this website where I can check the most recent weekly draw winners. Pachi Plus and Pachi Exchange provide extra fun and incentives. We hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below with your valuable feedback so we can continue to improve your viewing experience, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our new uploads. And lastly, do remember to hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever we drop our new videos.